First, log into your uParcel account. Key in your account details. Then, you will land onto this page, where you can see your profile. Click Bulk Upload. Then, click onto the link below to download the sample Excel sheet. On the Excel sheet, simply key in the details of the sender and receiver according to the headings. The left side of the Excel is to fill in the sender's details. Senders will have to key in their name, contact number, pickup location, postal code, pickup date, pickup time, and the mode of vehicle. The remarks is optional. On the remarks, senders can include any form of reminders or notes to the drivers. If none, please leave it blank. On the other hand, the right side of the Excel is to fill in the receiver's details. Senders will have to fill in the receiver's name, contact number, drop-off location, postal code, parcel size, delivery type, quantity of parcels. You can always use the click down arrow to guide you on your parcel sizing and delivery type. If you have multiple parcels, indicate the parcel sizes in the quantity chart accordingly. You may indicate any additional coverage on the last column. After that, save your Excel file. Ensure that you are not on the Instruction tab when saving. If you encounter any trouble, please click into the Instruction tab below or email us express@uparcel.co. Now, you can drag your Excel file and drop it into the box to upload the deliveries. Our system will process the information and show you all your parcel deliveries. At this stage, you can view and delete the deliveries to your liking. Once you have checked, click on the Next button. You will now be prompted with payment for the parcels.